Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel Fix Your English with Ayushi. I am Ayushi Jain and today I'm going to talk about what is communication and what is the significance of communication in daily life. So without further ado, let's start the video. But before going into the video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and hit the bell icon so every time when I upload the new video, you guys will get notified. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So the first question arises is, what is communication? So communication is defined as the exchange of thoughts, information or emotions by the means of speech, writing, signals or behaviors. Or we can say that communication can be defined as the transmission or exchange of information or ideas by the means of sounds, symbols, images, etc. So effective communication is very important if you want to move ahead in your career. Regardless what you do or what you intend to do, however, if you don't know the effective communication, then your idea of progressing will bomb. So communication includes ability to read, ability to write, ability to speak, and ability to listen. So let us understand what is the process of communication. Basically, communication is consist of some of the parts which can be sender, message, communication channel and receiver. Sender is the party that sends the message, while message is the actual information that has to be delivered. So on the sender side, there is encoding exists. Encoding means transforming information into some kind of symbols or some kind of code words which can be understood by the receiver only. Then the next part is communication channel. Communication channel is the actual path or medium which is used to convey the message. The next part is receiver. Receiver is the party or person who receives the message, and on the receiver side there is decoding exists. Decoding is actually transforming the information into its actual form. Let's see what are the types of communication. So there are several types of communication. The first type is oral communication. Oral communication is the exchange of ideas, information or thoughts through spoken words. Or it is a communication through mouth or vocals. It is very speedy transmission. This type of communication feedback can be given immediately, while there is a higher risk of misunderstanding exists. The example of oral communication can be group talk or group communication, personal communication, etc. The next type of communication is written communication. Written communication is the interchange of information or thoughts or ideas with the help of written or printed form. For example, applications, letters, notice, etc. So this communication is done through the help of texts, and it requires literacy. People should be literate to perform this kind of communication, and there is slow speed of transmission of message in this type of communication, and the feedback also takes time, and there is a slighter less risk factor of misunderstanding. So the next type of communication is verbal communication. Verbal communication is also a communication by the means of words. The next type of communication is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is the wordless form of communication. In this type of communication, there is no need to express your feelings or information through words. This is a silent form of communication, and it can be done through the face expressions, body movements or body postures, dancing, movement of hands, clothing, etc. The next type of communication is visual communication. Visual communication is a type of communication which is done through the help of symbols, images, or pictures. That is wrap up for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you had, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video to everyone. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye.